dito. Ayan, sinubo ko. Okay, sinubo ko rin. Okay na ba? Hatiin mo na na? Kaya nagawa talaga. Ayan, sige. Okay, wala pa kami na lang. Ayan, okay sa'yo po pa. Kat, di pakita mo rito. Ayan.
Ayan, ganito lolo. Ayan, pag sinabing dribble, hindi nyo bibitawan yung balon. Pupunta kayo dito sa harap and dribble nyo. Pag sinabi lang shoot naman, yun yung umupuin, okay? Ayan. So, pag sinabing pass na balon sa number 2, yung number 2 pupunta sa harap, then dribble nyo, tapos sasabihin, gagawin nyo kung ano yung sasabihin siya. Okay, okay ba lolo? Okay na? Okay.
Okay na po. Okay. Pass na balon sa number 4. Dribble, 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 behind the back, 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 exhibition, 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 exhibition. Pass na balon sa number 2. Dribble, 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 behind the back, behind the back, behind the back, behind the back, exhibition, exhibition. Pass na balon sa number 1. To number 3. Dribble, 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 dribble. Pass na balon sa number 5. Dribble, 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 behind the back, behind the back, behind the back, behind the back. Exhibition, 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 exhibition. Behind the back, behind the back. Pass na balon sa number 1. And number 3. Dribble for number 1. Dribble for number 1.
Pass the balloon to number 1 and dribble, 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 behind the back, exhibition, exhibition, pass to number 2. And dribble, 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 pass to number 3, pass to number 4, pass to number 5, and 8, 8,